There's a lot that goes into Draper being a strong company.
Our partners want to work with us because Draper is an ethical company with a lot of integrity.
We know how to hang things on buildings. We know how to hang structures. We know how to support things.
If you have maybe a lower end projector and you want to spend a little more on the projection screen to get that pop of that image, we can have that.
While we will never manufacture LED or LCD, we are interested in doing the mounts and structures that hold them. In order to make that successful, we have partnered with various LED, LCD manufacturers. We've brought them here. We work hand in hand with them. Draper has vast engineering capabilities that allow us to take their CAD files, their drawings, and make a product that custom fits their solution.
Every run that we do off our platform downstairs is checked for gain, gloss, ALR. Color uniformity is a big one, so all our screens are ISF certified. So to me, that's what sets us apart. Every individual screen that we run out of there, we test. I think that's something that really sets us apart.